Well, we spent a day in Havre, Montana, relaxing and resting up from all of the riding that we had been doing. I guess I looked pretty tired when we got there, because Stanley decided that we needed 2 nights there and 1 full day. So I spent the day working on videos, and Stanley did the laundry. Today's video is going to show a little bit of the extras that we took video of or pictures of along the way. And there isn't going to be any riding. So sit back, relax, and let us entertain you. We're taking a little bit of time out from riding so much. The Siesta Motel. This is where we're staying, just to take a break from all the riding. We rode 1,100 miles in the last 6 days. It's time for a rest. Stanley is over there talking with a guy from Saskatchewan. They're talking about all the different things that we did on our Goldwing, and he's showing him how they can be done on his Goldwing as we have our day of rest here at the Siesta Motel in Havre, Montana. So we found a nice little diner. And I'm just doing a little shot.
We read about this place online. You can always get there.
And look what's outside the diner. Cute little bike. And the owner isn't even charging me for taking pictures. But I better get off the road or somebody else will. Just gotta love the plumbing here in Wolfer's Diner. A Craftsman toolbox, some kind of tub, and I don't know, not very fancy plumbing.
Chain on the back.
That's a pretty well-packed bike. This guy is serious. It's been said that we end the videos a little too abruptly. Some of them end with Stanley smelling the flowers, and some of them just end. So this video I am going to end with, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join us when we entertain you with the next one. So long for now.